Let's talk about Pakistan's Central Asia policy and how does it aligns its bilateral ties with Uzbekistan, and what are some of the challenges that you would like, of course, Honorable Ambassador over here, to address?
Uzbekistan needs Pakistan and Pakistan needs Uzbekistan.
Right, of course.
Perhaps because we need energy and Uzbekistan is the largest electricity producer in Central Asia. It has the largest military of Central Asia.
LNG we already started.
LNG, the hydrocarbons are in abundance, especially in the south. So the distance reduces because it is available in the south. Okay, we are making headways. We want to forget about the lost decade, okay, and there are so many opportunities. There are so many opportunities that can be exploited and the connectivity can be made. Through your good office, Excellency, may I suggest that Pakistan government officially invites Uzbekistan to join the CPEC, because that is one program that will help Uzbekistan to quickly reach the warm waters of Arabian Sea.
Right.
Because Uzbekistan is a member of SCO.
Of course.
It is a member of CIS. It is a member of UN, and it is a member of all the regional organizations. So if they actively join CPEC, it will help increase the rate of this reconnectivity at a much faster.